guys, if you would like to change the file access permissions on your Google Drive, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your Google Drive. If you couldn't do it, you also have the option of this puzzle. Click onto it, it will show you Drive. Once done, you will get landed onto a page like this. So access your file where you would like to change the access permission. In my case, I would like to work on this one. So let's go ahead, open this. And once you do so, you will see a share button on your top right side. Click it. This being the owner, which is you will see another email address, which is an editor in my case. Now, in order to change his or her access, click onto editor and then click on viewer. Viewer means the person can only view the document that you have written here. And you can also give it to commenter. Commenter is the person who can view the document and also comment it but cannot edit it. So choose the permission wisely, and once done, click on save. And just like so guys, now the access has been updated.